let's go over the bird dogs. I'm gonna come in a tabletop position with my core nice and tight. I'm gonna alternate moving opposite leg and opposite arm into an extended position at the same time. Make sure my core is tight and my butt is tucked. Take your time with this movement. We're definitely working on our balance here. If you need to scale up this movement or make it a little bit more difficult, we're going to hold our knees off the ground in a bear crawl position. If you need to simplify the movement, just work on your hands first.